Welcome to Home of Math. Today's question: if a equals to 3 to the power 1 by 3 plus 3 to the power minus 1 by 3, find 3a cube minus 9a plus 1. First, here is a, so we can write, look, here is a cube, so we have to find out a cube. So a cube, it means we will cube both sides. So 3 to the power 1 by 3 plus 3 to the power minus 1 by 3 whole cube. We know a plus b whole cube, it means a cube plus b cube plus 3ab times a plus b. So based on this formula we can write a cube, it means 3 to the power 1 by 3 cube, then plus b cube, it means 3 to the power minus 1 by 3 cube plus 3ab, 3 times a means 3 1 by 3 times b means 3 to the power minus 1 by 3, then a plus b, it means 3 to the power 1 by 3 plus 3 to the power minus 1 by 3. Okay, up to this we are clear everything. Now look, here is 3 to the power 1 by 3 whole cube, it means 3 to the power 1 by 3 times 3, so 3 and 3 out, it will be 3, so we can write 3. Okay, plus, and this one will become like 3 to the power minus 1. Okay, and now plus this one we can write 3 times, look, we know about a to the power n times a to the power m, it means a to the power n plus m. Therefore 3 to the power 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3. Okay, and very interesting thing, this one means a, right, because this one is given. So this one is 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 3, and look, 3 to the power 1 by 3 minus 3 to the power 1 by 3, it means 3 to the power 0. So we know a to the power 0 means 1, so we can write 1 times a. Okay, now we can make LCM, so here is 3, 9 plus 1 plus, and this one is what, 3a times 3, it means 9a. Now look, here is a cube equals to 9 plus 1, it means 10 plus 9a divide 3. Okay, now cross multiplication, so 3a cube equals to 10 minus 10 plus 9a, and finally we can write what, now here is 3a cube minus 9a equals to 10. Now most interesting and thrilling matter, here is a 3a cube minus 9a plus 1. So this plus 1 we can add both sides, it means 3a cube minus 9a plus 1, it means 10 plus 1, so the answer is 11. So the question, find 3a cube minus 9a plus 1, so answer is what, 11. So very interesting thing. So hope you cleared this one. This is very important math for especially job. Okay, and also SAT, IGCSE and grade 10, it's also important, any kinds of competitive examination. So no more today. Thank you very much being with me. Please subscribe my channel, which is Home of Math, and please share with your friends. Thank you.